Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how you can create a multi-page website in Canva. So first is you have to open your Canva application, or you can open your web browser and then go to canva.com and then log into your account. So now that you're here in your Canva account, you just have to click on the create a design. So this one at the top. And then using the search bar, you just have to search for website. Okay, and then you'll be able to see this first one right here. So you just have to click on it. And then it would be redirected to this blank one page. So right now, when you go to the templates, you'll be able to see here different templates that you can use. And if you want to use a template that is for pro version, you can just click on the pro version or just have to click on the try the Canva Pro, and then you have to proceed to the payment information and you'll have to pay and be able to get all of the features on Canva. So let's try to use a free Canva template for our website. So this example will be just, a few pages. So let's try to find a simple one for you to understand on how I can create a multi-page website. So I don't want this one. Okay, I want a lighter color or just a minimal color. So maybe this one. So as you can see, it has all 7 pages. So maybe I would then just going to use 3 of these pages. Just have to click on it, and then after to add a new page, you just have to click on add page. Okay, now select a page for your page. So this one. So I have now 3 pages. So you also have here your template style. If you want to change that, then go ahead. And right here, I will then just go into edit the first page. So you'd be able to understand the process. So here you have your text, different fonts, and of course the pictures. So I want to replace this picture right here. So go to the elements, and then you can choose a frame style. So when you go to the frame, you see different shapes for frames. So if you want with the one with a circular frame, you can choose that. But for now, let me choose this one. And then I'm going to find a logo or graphics. So go to the graphics and don't forget to delete the word that you have searched. You'd be able to proceed with the graphics. So for example, I want to add a graphics which is somewhat like a guide. So maybe this one. So I don't want this to put in a frame since I'm going to put a picture in this frame right here. So let me just drag this one and resize this graphics or this logo. Now to add a frame, you just have to click on upload and you can create, you can click on the upload an image or video from the top if you want to upload a specific file or image from your folder. So maybe I want to try this one, the logo for our YouTube videos, and just have to click on edit photo where you can crop the photo or adjust the filters. And after that, you just have to click on the text. If you want to use this kind of font style, then you can just delete all of the text and then type out the text or the word that is related for your page. So for example, the name of our YouTube channel, which is the quick how to. So I'm just going to delete the text below, and you can change the font style. Just click on this one right here, and then you can search for the font style, or you can just select one of this from the default search. Okay, so I have the quick how to, a logo, and of course a picture. So just add a new elements for the navigation bar. So you just have to click on the X icon and go to the shapes. So I'll be using this rectangular shapes or a square shapes. Then you can just extend it, adjust, and then you can drag your pictures down. And of course, you can change the color of your navigation bar or the shape. Just click on the color and then select the perfect color combination for your page. So maybe I want a dark gray one. I want to make this page as simple as possible. So let me just do this. And then after that, just click on text, and then you just have to click on add a heading. And for example, I want to name this navigation as a blog. So this is a sub page or a landing page when someone click on this navigation. So you can adjust this accordingly, but for this video sample, I will make it big as possible so you'd be able to see it. So you just have to duplicate this one and then type out another navigation tab. So for contact us, and of course, I want to create a button where you can click on home or click on to get back to the main page. Okay. Now, how you can exactly add a link. So when people click on one of this, you'll be able to landing directly to a landing page. So first, let's go ahead and upload our logo. So let's go to our folder and then find the logo for our page. So for example, this is our logo. So you just have to drag your logo to the first page and then you can resize it accordingly. Okay, so this is our logo, which is the Greek how-to. So let me just resize this one to perfectly blend it to the navigation. Now that we're done making our first page, which is has the navigation, let us now create the sub pages for this thing. So just go ahead and go back to the Canva home and then you just have to create a new website. So just click on this home button right here and then just click on create design. Now search for the website again and then click on it. So right here you have your new empty website template. You just have to click on add a heading. So we're just going to make this page as simple as possible. So for example, this is the landing page for the blog. So let me just change the color for this page quickly. And then you just have to publish this one first. So after that, just click on the publish website and then be able to see here the free domains. You just have to select it and then click on continue. Okay, so you just have to wait for a few more seconds and click on publish. Then there you go, you have published your first website. Now let's go back to the first website that we have created. So this one, so you just have to copy everything in the navigation bar. You just have to press and hold shift and then select all of these elements, and then right here you just have to click on paste. Okay, so after that, we have to publish this landing page again. So just click on publish website and then click on continue and then click on publish. And then now you have published and updated everything in the blog landing page. So now let's go back right here. And of course, you have to click on the blog and then click on the three dots and then click on link. So you have to paste here the link for that landing page. Now click on done. And then of course you have to publish this website again. So click on publish website and then click on continue and then click on publish. Okay, so the purpose of this one is you have to keep on updating everything so that you'd be able to have a perfect landing page. So after that, let's now proceed to our landing page for the contact us button. So let's go back home and then click on create a new design again and then search for website. Okay, so you just have to go to the same process until you finish setting up everything for your navigation bar. So since this is for contact us, so let me just type it contact us and then I will just leave the white color background. And then after that, you just have to paste everything that is in the navigation bar. So let me just copy everything right here, all of these elements, and then paste it in the contact us landing page. Okay, and then after that, you just have to publish this landing page. So let's go back to the contact us and then just click on publish website. Okay, so right here, just click on continue and then click on publish. Then you just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, now that you have done that, you just have to copy the website. Okay, so have to copy the link for this website and then go back to the blog website. Then you have to click on the contact us, click on the three dots, and you have to paste here the link, click on paste, and then click on done. Okay, so let's go back to our main page again and then click on the contact us. So you just have to do the same process. You have to paste here the link as well and click on done. After that, you just have to publish this again. So click on publish website and then just have to click on continue and you have successfully updated your website. So let's go for the blog website or the blog landing page. So we just have to publish this one as well since we just added the URL or the website link for the contact us. Okay, so after that, let us now update the button for the home where we have to add here the URL as well. So see, for example, we have now the landing page for the blog and for the contact us. So for the home, we want to add a link here as well. So you just have to go ahead and click on the publish website, and here you'll be able to see here the link of your website. So you just have to click on it, and when you go ahead and click on blog, you'd be able to see the landing page and click on contact us. You'd be able to see the landing page for contact us. But when you click on home, there's no option or link that will lead you back to the home page. So to do that, just click on the back arrow or the back icon at the top left hand corner of your screen, and then you have to copy the link for the home page from here. Okay, so just click on the tab and you have to copy this one and then go back to Canva, and then you have to edit this one right here one by one. So first go to your main page and click on edit. So just click on home and then click on the three dots and click on linked, and you have to paste here the link and then click on done. So same goes for the blog. So just have to click on edit design and then click on home, and then you just have to paste here the same link as well. And for the contact us landing page as well, so just click on edit design and go to the link and paste here the same link. Okay, so after that, you have to publish this website one by one again. So let's start with the contact us. So we just click on publish and just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, now that you have done that, go back to the blog post or the blog landing page and then publish this one as well to update your changes. Okay, so just click on continue and then click on publish. Okay, so that's right. Just have to wait for a few more seconds. And finally, let's go to the home page or the main page. And we have to publish this website once again to update all of the changes that we made. Okay, so just click on publish website and then click on continue and then click on publish. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds. So the purpose of publishing or updating everything all together is to have a perfect multi-page website in Canva. Okay, so just have to do that. Now just click on view website, and when you do that, you're directed to your homepage. Now when you click one of this navigation at the top, you'd be able to see the landing pages, and even though you're in the contact us pages, you can still click on the home or the blog navigations. So that is the purpose of updating everything all together, so that you'd be able to, click on one of this navigation at the top, even though you are in the different navigation. So just have to make sure that you update everything all together Because sometimes if you failed to do this or to do the proper steps, then there's so many instances that the people who visit your website will, lose their interest since your website is not really that accessible for everybody. So that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how to videos next time. Adios.